You want some too? Oh my goodness. Okay. How do I say no to that? Can't do it. Can't do it. What? I don't think you'll get food over there. Yeah, there's gonna be plenty for you. Yeah, it's not over there yet. Yeah, over that way a little bit further. Over that way. Keep looking. Keep looking. What can I do for you? You're trying to get up there to that, huh? You're gonna climb me to get there. Hey! Oh my goodness! You're so cute and tiny. Who is the emptiest? Ooh, probably you. Drinky drinky. What is that stuff on your face, bud? Is it empty? Jump on that other side. Over here. Over there. There's two. There's two teats. There's one on the other side. You'll find it. Keep looking. There you are. She's just gonna feed anybody because she's a knucklehead. Look at ya. They're drinking ya. How are we supposed to put you up there if you're just all drunk? Oh, we like that. Oh, Josie's too short and stubby. She can't reach. Who's first? Oh, you're first? You knucklehead? We're talking milk, not grain. Oh! Oh, that is exciting! Hey, Jose. Why'd you have some of that? Hey! What you up to?
Is this me?
That's you.
You feeding everybody?
I am. Oh, you're a troublemaker. You don't need to be up here. Where did he go? He's gonna force his way in. He's now the only one eating. Nope. Nice try. Nice try. Go ask your mom. She has treats for you. There you go. Cute as a button. You're in trouble. You're trouble. You got them. You didn't drink very much. Give it another try. Give it another go. Maybe we'll put you back up later. Sometimes they do this weird thing where they only drink for like 10 seconds. And so you gotta let them drink for their 10 seconds and then you take them off and you put them back on, they'll drink for 10 seconds again. You just gotta do that a few times to get them enough food. This buddy is just down in it though. You're gonna drain her, dude. There's gotta be enough for everyone else. Oh, your sibling's turn. And your other sibling. All three of you. Cute as a button. I'm not gonna take it from you. I just wanna see how much you've got left in there. There's a little bit left. You want this? Wow. Okay. Enough for you guys? You're done. You already had yours. You just throw yourself. That's enough for you. 1, 2. She's empty. What's going on here? Can I help you? Can I help you? You already got some milk, and you didn't even need any. Yeah. I wish I could help you more. There's only so much milk to go around, though. Extra milk, anyway. There's no more in there. Nope, 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 nope. Jump down. Jump down. I know you don't want to. Lick your lips off. Get that milk off of there. Oh, Drax, what did you do? What is all this? Huh? You tore that cat bed up, huh? Did you at least have fun doing it? You did? That's great. I think that's her down there. April! Hey! Come here. Oh my goodness, hello. It's so good to see you. You cute little goat. Come here, come on up. Oh yeah, hello. Let me pick you up. Oh! Oh! Right. Oh, this one's lower. This is her favorite. You're a good buddy. You're a good buddy. You're a knucklehead. Oh, who do we have here? Luna? Hey. Hey. Hi. Oh, beautiful Tim here's losing his tail feathers again. Last year he lost them around July, late July. We've got a few right here. There's our collection so far. They're pretty neat. Check that out. They just come right off. Find them laying all over the place. We've got people that come out and visit the farm every day. They're usually pretty thrilled about finding some feathers and taking them home. What you up to here?
Unloading some feed. Just for your video.
Yep.
Keep your mouth guard out.
Mouth guard. Let's see it. Wow.
The stress of running a farm has me grinding my teeth 24/7.
We'll get this unloaded. Introduce you guys to a friend. She is our next due to give birth in about 3 weeks. And I've got April on my back. April, say hi. You big goofball. Can you say hi? She's gonna eat my hat. What do you want? Huh? You want some scratches? You're being a goof. We're trying to give somebody else some attention, but you won't let me, will ya?
Can you feel babies in her belly?
I don't know. Let's give that a try.
Should we check to see? So they carry their babies on the right side.
April. Oh, ouch. That hurts.
There's her milk coming in. No milk yet. I felt a little bit of a baby there, but not much. Could mean there's a bunch and they're hard to get tied down and feel them, or it could just mean there's one big one that's farther in. Hoping for 2 or 3.
We'll go over and show you. Daisy's got a boy that's the same coat pattern as her, and he looks very, very good. We're hoping for some that look either like her. She's beautiful, but anything between her and that boy would be amazing.